Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to all my online lecture. I am Anil Sadashiv Sane. Today I will tell you a interesting and funny story. In this story, a woman, her name is Maya. What's the Maya's dream? Today we will see Maya's dream. Friends, our school name is Shikshan Ratna Pradeep Dattatray Samanta Vidyalaya, Nehru Nagar, Kurla. Today is Tuesday. Today's date is 3rd November 2020. Subject English. Topic Maya's Dream. Maya's Dream. First one, we all read the words. Repeat after me. Always, always, before, before, better, better, brought, brought, butter, butter, buy, buy, carrying, carrying, churn, churn, creamy, creamy, does, does, dream, dream, dreaming, dreaming, even, even, ever, ever, flew, flew, from, gently, gently, get, get, golden, golden, held, held, high, high, just, just, no, no, lost, lost, make, make, market, market, milk, milk, money, money, mode, mode, much, much. Fourth one lines. Nice, nice, post, post, people, people, pot, pot, prize, prize, rich, rich, rolled, rolled, sale, sale, should, should, show, show, soft, soft, spilled, spilled, surprise, surprise, tasty, tasty, thick, thick, toss, tossed, wet, wet, wear, wear, your. Look at this picture. In this picture, what do you see? A woman. In this picture, you see in this picture a woman. Who is woman? You know that this woman name is Maya. What was on her hand, on her head? What do you see on her head? A pot of milk. What is it? Pot of milk. You know that pots, which is pot? Earthen pot. What is it? Earthen pot. In this pot, what in this pot? Milk. Means she was milkmaid. Who is this? Milkmaid. female called milkmaid and male called milkman. You know that we buy milk from milkman or milkmaid. The story name is Maya's Dream. You know that always we see dreams. I make a good person, it's a good dream. But I am make rich man or cricketer. Anyone say I am making singer. It's called our dreams. These stories are supported by future tense. So first one, see, now I tell you story. You listen carefully. The story name is Maya's Dream. What's the story name? Maya's Dream. Maya, the milkmaid, was carrying a pot of milk on her head. The milk was fresh and creamy. Maya, the milk was fresh and creamy. Maya began to dream. Maya began to dream. There's so much milk in the pot. It's rich and creamy. I'll make nice thick dahi with this milk. Then I'll churn it. I'll churn it. Churn. Churn. What's she doing? Churn it. And make butter. I'll take the butter to the market. Many people will came to buy the soft and tasty butter. I will sell it at a good price. I will get a lot of money. What shall I do with the money? I know what I will do. I will buy big golden earrings. They will be much better than Mira's earrings. She is always showing them up. But now, Mira, just you wait. I will wear them and walk past her like this. Maya began to walk with her head held high. She moved her head slowly from side to side. The milk in her pot rolled gently. Maya went on dreaming. The milk in her pot rolled gently. Maya went on dreaming. When Mira sees my rings, when Mira sees my rings, she will get surprised. She will say, "Oh, what lovely rings! Wait, Maya, wait. I want to see your rings. But will I wait? Oh no. Why should I? Does she ever wait for me? No. I will just toss my head like this." Maya tossed her head with a jerk. And what's this? Away flew the pot of milk. Out spilled the milk. No milk, no dahi, no butter, no earrings. Maya lost her earrings even before she bought them. All of you understood? Now we read the story. I explain you Now you tell me, who is this? This is Maya. In this picture, this is Maya. Now, what is the story name? Maya's Dream. Look. Look. Maya, the milkmaid, was carrying a pot of milk on her head. Means Maya was milkmaid. म्हणजे माया बाळानू, माया ही कोण आहे बरं? गवळण, बरोबर, मिल्कमेड. शी इज फिमेल, सो इट्स कॉल्ड मिल्कमेड. अँड मेल कॉल्ड मिल्कमॅन. मेल, फिमेल. मिल्कमॅन्स कॉल्ड मेल अँड फिमेल कॉल्ड मिल्कमेड. इट्स कॉल्ड मराठी वर्ड गवळण. व्हॉट शी डुईंग? Carrying a pot. What is on her head? A pot of milk. Pot of milk. Where the pot of milk? On her head. Look at this picture. The milk was fresh and creamy. How was milk? Now you tell me, how was milk? The milk was fresh and creamy. फ्रेश मीन्स ताजं ताजं आणि क्रीमी मीन्स मलईदार. माया began to dream. Now she had a pot of milk, so she began to dream. What shall I do? मी या दुधाचं काय बरं करेन? बघा, there so much milk in the pot. What? So much in the pot. Milk. There's so much milk in the pot. म्हणजे ते भांडं जे आहे मडकं ते भरून दूध आहे, भरपूर दूध आहे. इट्स रिच अँड क्रीमी. हाऊ इज मिल्क? पौष्टिक आणि मलईदार. रिच अँड क्रीमी मीन्स पौष्टिक अँड मलईदार, नॉट श्रीमंत. इट्स कॉल्ड रिच मीन्स पौष्टिक अँड क्रीमी मीन्स मलईदार. I'll make nice thick dahi with this milk. What she say? In mind, I will make. I'll means I will. I'll means I will make nice, not making. She thought about this milk. I will make nice, very good, thick, दाट, जाड, दही मीन्स योगर्ट. विथ दिस मिल्क, मी काय करेन? या दुधापासून दही बनवेन. देन आयल चर्न, नॉट चर्न. व्हॉट यू से? चर्न. आर इज सायलेंट. चर्न. आयल मीन्स आय विल चर्न इट अँड मेक बटर. बटर मीन्स लोणी. मी त्याचं काय करेन? घुसळेन आणि त्याचं बटर बनवेन, लोणी. Then what do you say? I'll take the butter to the market. म्हणजे मी ते बटर काय करेन? बाजारात विकायला नेईन. I'll take the butter to the market for the sale. Many people will come to buy the soft and tasty butter. Means when we going to the market, many people come to buy. म्हणजे भरपूर लोक वस्तू खरेदी करायला येतात. त्याचप्रमाणे मेनी पीपल विल कम टू बाय द सॉफ्ट अँड टेस्टी बटर. माझं हे मी बनवलेलं बटर जे आहे सॉफ्ट, मऊ मऊ, टेस्टी म्हणजे रुचकर, छान दही विकत बटर म्हणजे लोणी विकत घ्यायला येतील. आय विल सेल इट ॲट अ गुड प्राईस. व्हॉट शी से? इन माइंड, आय विल सेल म्हणजे विकणे आणि बाय म्हणजे विकत घेणे. सेल अपोजिट वर्ड बाय. आता ती विकणारी आहे आणि आपण विकत घेणार. आय विल सेल इट मीन्स बटर ॲट अ गुड प्राईस. चांगल्या किमतीला विकेन. आय विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. त्यामुळे मला काय होईल? सो आय विल गेट, मला मिळेल. काय मिळेल? अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. खूप पैसे मिळतील. What shall I do with the money? Then what she think? What shall, आता मला भरपूर पैसे मिळाले तर मी काय करेन बरे? What shall I do with the money? या पैशांचं मी काय करणार बरं? काय करू? I know what I will do. काय करायचं ते मला माहित आहे. I know what I will do. I will buy big golden earrings. मी काय करेन? माझ्याकडे पैसे भरपूर आले की मी काय करेन? कर्णफुले, इट्स कॉल्ड मराठी वर्ड, कर्णफुलं विकत घेईन. झुमका, रिंग, गोल्डन इयरिंग्स. दे विल बी मच बेटर दॅन मीराज इयरिंग्स. ते कसे असतील? दे विल बी मच बेटर. ते मीराच्या रिंगपेक्षा खूपच छान असतील. मच बेटर दॅन मीराज. हू वॉज मीरा? मीरा वॉज मायाज फ्रेंड. शी इज ऑलवेज शोईंग देम अप. ती आपलेच रिंग दाखवायची. बघ माया, बघ माझ्याकडे किती छान आहेत बघ. अशा त्याला म्हणतात प्रदर्शन करणे. शी इज ऑलवेज शोईंग देम अप. बट नाव मीरा, जस्ट यू वेट. पण मीरा आता थांब, मी सुद्धा असेच घेणार. आय विल विअर देम. मी काय करेन? ते माझ्या कानात घालेन. अँड वॉक पास्ट हर लाईक दिस. आणि अशा प्रकारे ठुमकत ठुमकत चालेन. वॉक past her like this. Maya began to walk with her head held high. Maya began to walk with her head high म्हणजे डोकं उंचावत उंचावत चालू लागली. She moved her head slowly from side to side. एकदा एका साईडला, एकदा दुसऱ्या साईडला, असं एक मी बघत बघत चालायला लागली. The milk in her pot rolled gently. आणि त्यामुळे काय झालं? असे डोकं उंचावत चालल्यामुळे, वर खाली केल्यामुळे त्या मडक्यामधलं जे लोणी होतं ना, मटक्यामधलं मिल्क, दूध, ते रोल्ड म्हणजे वर खाली व्हायला हचकायला लागलं किंवा वर खाली व्हायला लागलं. जेंटली मीन्स स्लोली. माया वेंट ऑन ड्रीमिंग. वन्स अगेन माया ड्रीमिंग. वेंट, गो, पास्ट टेन्स, वेंट. रोल, रोल्ड. वेन मीरा सीज माय रिंग्स. आता मीरा जेव्हा माझी रिंग पाहिली तेव्हा काय म्हणेल? शी विल गेट सरप्राईज. तिला खूप आश्चर्य होईल आणि ती काय करेल? She will say, oh, what lovely rings. What she say? Oh, what lovely rings. किती छानच सुंदर रिंग आहेत. वेट माया, वेट. थांब माया, थांब, मला पाहायचं आहे. आय वॉन्ट टू सी युअर रिंग्स. मला जे रिंग पाहायचे आहेत. ऑलवेज वुमन्स लाईक ऑर्नामेंट्स. बट विल आय वेट? ओ नो. मी तिच्यासाठी थांबेन का? नाही. का थांबू? वाय शुड आय? का थांबू तिच्यासाठी? डज शी एव्हर वेट फॉर मी? ती माझ्यासाठी कधी थांबली होती का? तिने आपले कधी दागिने दाखवले का? नो, नाही ना. आय विल जस्ट टॉस माय हेड लाईक दिस. मी काय करेन? माझं डोकं असं थोडंसं वर करत किंवा उंचावत पुढे निघून जाईन. माया टॉस हर हेड. आणि तिने आपलं डोकं थोडंसं काय केलं? वर केलं, उंचावलं. विथ अ जर्क. हुसका देण्यासारखं. त्यामुळे काय झालं बाळांनो? अँड व्हॉट्स दिस? काय झालं बरं? अवे फ्ल्यू द पॉट. म्हणजे तिच्या डोक्यावरचं ते डोकं उंचावल्यामुळे दुधाचं मडकं दूर वाहून गेलं आणि खाली पडलं. आणि काय झालं? मडकं फुटलं आणि सगळं दूध वाहून गेलं. स्पिल्ड म्हणजे सांडणे. आउट स्पिल्ड द मिल्क. नो मिल्क. आता त्या मडकंच फुटल्यामुळे दूध राहिलं नाही. नो दही. दूध नाही म्हणून ती दही बनवलं नाही. नो बटर. दही नाही म्हणून बटरसुद्धा नाही. आणि बटर नाही म्हणून पैसे नाहीत. पैसे नाही म्हणून इयरिंग्स नाहीत. नो इयरिंग्स. माया लॉस्ट हर इयरिंग्स. इवन बिफोर शी बॉट दे म्हणजे विकत घेण्यापूर्वी सगळं ती गमावून बसली. न्यू वर्ड्स. विच इज न्यू वर्ड्स? मिल्कमेड means a girl or woman who milks cows. does other work in a dairy म्हणजे काय? तर स्त्री किंवा बाई जी डेअरीमध्ये काम करते किंवा गाईचं दूध विकते तिला काय म्हणतात? मिल्कमेड. अ गर्ल और वुमन हू मिल्क्स काऊज or does other work in a dairy. churn means to move म्हणजे घुसळणे. मराठीत त्याला काय म्हणतात? घुसळणे. or दही move around violently. jerk means to move or make something move with a sudden sharp moments called jerk. spilled accidentally come out a container liquid. creamy containing cream, it's called creamy. held to take something and keep it in your hand, it's called held. Now present tense means now time, before means past times, and future tense. am is are. I am boy, he is a boy, there are boys. When we say present tense, there was a boy, there were students, past tense. And they will, they shall, they will do, they shall do. Will, shall, future tense. Then how to form present perfect tense? पूर्ण वर्तमान का have, has. past tense had, was, wears. past tense had. and will, shall, would, should. पूर्ण भूतकाळी रूप, पूर्ण वर्तमानकाळी रूप, and पूर्ण भविष्यकाळ रूप. Maya had sold butter. Maya have been sell the butter or Maya sells butter. Maya will sell the butter. Maya लोणी विकणार. Past tense begin, began. Make, made. Take, took. Buy, bought. Sell, sold. Get, got. Know, knew. Wear, over. Like, liked. Not liked, liked. What do you say? Liked. Walk, walked. Not walked, walked. How to say? Walked. Move, moved. Hold, held. Toss, tossed. Spill, spilled. Roll, rolled. Flow, flew. See, saw. Go, went. Now adverb. Slow, slowly. Gentle, gently. Love, lovely. Happy, happily. It's called adverb. Contract form. Is not, isn't. Are not, aren't. Was not, wasn't. Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. Did not, didn't. Has not, hasn't. Write the answer in one sentence. Who was Maya? Maya was a milkmaid. What's the correct answer? Maya was a milkmaid. Which things we get from the milk? We get from the milk dahi, buttermilk, butter and ghee. What did Maya want? Maya wanted to buy big golden earrings. How will to make butter? Who will to make butter? Maya will churn dahi and make butter. How will to make butter Maya? Maya will churn dahi and make butter. How was the milk? The milk was fresh and creamy. Who lost her earrings? Maya lost her earrings. Thank you.